Okay, so today I'm changing ABS connector, ABS sensor connector. Okay guys, so today I am changing my ABS connector on my right wheel sensor. This is the old one. Kind of messed up, not sure if it's a connection issue, but I got a code for this sensor. I changed the sensor and I'm still getting the same code. So the next option would be replacing this. But it's fairly easy. Lift the car, you can do it with a jack, but I did it with the ramps. Right behind the sensor there's a connector that connects to this. On the back side, obviously. All right, unclip it, clip out the wires. And then, these actually don't matter, but we're gonna stick with the colors. So yellow is gonna be positive, and then blue is gonna be the ground, because I already tested it down here. And the white is the positive, and the black is the ground. And the way I tested it was simple. Tested, connect to the battery, whichever one gives you positive. Whichever one lights up, obviously, is the positive, and vice versa. So, yeah, simple, quick fix. I'll plug it in and I'll let you know an update. What's up, y'all? Quick update on this ABS wire sensor, right? Pretty much I just came in and I'm trying to update all my videos, so excuse the background and things like that. More or less, it's two wires, right? Obviously a ground, positive. Double check it with a test light. I plugged it into the car, everything worked. That sensor was actually damaged because it was clipped. For the most part, it's an easy job, do it yourself. So I suggest going that route. It only cost me $15, I think, for the wire, or 20 bucks for the wire. Replaced it. Definitely use heat shrink. That's something that's really important. Don't use the black tape. But yeah, go ahead, do it yourself, y'all.